We got action to a, what is this? What is this, Mr. Sir?
Chevy pickup.
56 Chevy pickup.
355, ready to do what you wanted to do.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
And you representing who?
The old school roller.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, one and only.
Yes, sir. What they call you?
I'm KW, the mailman.
All right. Yes, sir.
Just working well.
Got it looking like a disco in the inside.
Man, look at that right there. Look, got the digital dash, baby. Look at that digital dashboard. Look at that digital dash. He ain't playing, baby. See that?
There's a digital dash too. I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that.
Got that scat shift up in there.
Let's see what he's sounding like down here. Sound like that motor ready.
Man.
Yeah, I think I missed this one. What year is this?
62 O's.
62 O's? That's yours?
Yeah.
Okay. What's under the hood?
394 Skyrocket.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it.
All right. Same thing I've been saying about you, man.
Yeah.
It's another Oldsmobile. We use this Oldsmobile.
Boy, got the, look like he got the little drums painted gold. Ooh, got it painted gold on the inside. Okay.
It's an Oldsmobile, bro.
Got the old school Oldsmobile. Yeah, that's what he told me. He said, it's not an Impala. I said, I didn't think so.
I know that.
Right.
They don't look like that.
Nope. Not the back either.
That's the side.
The side. If you catch it from the side, you'll think it's an Impala. Yeah.
That's
That's
it.
it.
The side and the hood. The
Yeah.
hood and the side, but the front.
Yeah. You know it's
the
not.
back, I wouldn't even leave the house. I would leave us from next coming over here. That's what we're coming over here to check out everything. That's what we're here.
Boy, I got the emblem. Old school. What up, Dave? What up, Dave? Boy, I got something in there, man. Here, Mr. Old School Roller. Working.
Yes, sir.
Giving out tickets for the trophies, raffle, whatever. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This your blue car right here?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm about to get a good look at it. What's in there?
6.2.
6.2?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes, sir. I'm about to take a good look at it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Don't make me drop the camera. Boy, I got the blue dice in there. We're gonna get a little bit more of the owners in the cars later on, as soon as everybody settle down. But this is the 5th Old School Rollers 5th Annual Car Show. More people arriving, more people coming. Come check us out, y'all. Right here on Fondren. Right before you cross to get to Missouri City's railroad tracks. Cars pulling in, more cars pulling in. This Mustang. Nice.